Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing ways to act as if so you can manifest what's on your mind right now. This can work for literally anything. I'm sure you've seen the videos. People have told you, you've heard the audio, you've seen the articles, and people are like, act as if you already have it. And if you are anything like me, you are like, okay, but how am I supposed to act as if when I'm looking at my reality right now? How am I supposed to act like I got $4 billion and I got $32? Like... Please explain to me that if you've ever been at that point where you're like, okay, how do I act as if I have this so I can hurry up and get it? Go ahead and give this video a like. And in the comments, drop an emoji on how you're feeling today. If you've never heard of me, my name is The Love Gal, aka Amber. I give all kind of manifestation hacks on my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new content. My next video may be the one that you need to see. Okay, number one, I just talked about this. Having conversation with someone as if it already happened. Do you literally have to talk to a physical being to do this? No. Nope. What I do when I'm in a shower, I pick a person. It could be the person, maybe the person you're trying to manifest back into your life, or it could be just a supportive friend, sibling, family member, co-worker, whatever. Whoever you feel most comfortable with talking about this, because we don't want to add resistance, right? In the shower, out loud, verbally, have the conversation as if it has already happened. You're talking to this person. So, say it's your cousin, and you could tell your cousin, guess what? And since you know this person, you already know how they're gonna respond, right? Right, because it's your cousin. And be like, cousin, guess what? And they're gonna be like, what? What happened? I got the job. You're hearing them say back what you want to hear. You know what their voice sounds like. So just go ahead and imagine them saying in their voice what you want to hear back. Yeah, cousin, I got a new job. What? Congratulations. We had to go celebrate. You have to be a little bit delusional. Okay, a bit delusional to do this. But it works. Oh my gosh. I've been doing this for years. I have no idea why it works. I don't have the scientific meaning as to why it works, but it works. In your head, you're hearing back what you will want them to say to you. And then out loud, you're saying what you would say back to them. So they could say, oh, when do you start? And like, yeah, I start in a couple weeks. I go to orientation on this day, make $32 an hour now. I'm so excited. Yeah, we could go celebrate. What are you doing this weekend? Like, have this conversation like twice a week, 2 to 3 times a week, as if it's already happened. Like I said, this isn't something that I'm just pulling out of a hat. No, I literally do this for a lot of different subjects. I remember one time I have multiple websites, right? And I was like, I want my website to be ranking on Google, on the second page of Google. Why I said the second page and not the first page, I think it was a limiting belief because I didn't know what I needed to do to get there at that point. So I said the second page instead of the first page for this key term. I kid you not. So I have a search engine tracker that could tell me where my website is for each keyword on the search engines, right? And bro, I kid you not, 2 days later, I get the notification. Your website broke top 20. I was like, I didn't do anything. How? Just did that in the shower, and 2 days later, my website is sitting on the second page because it's top 20 in the search engine. That's just one of the things I've done with this. I've manifested conversations, I've manifested money, I've manifested vacation, all kind of stuff. Just try it. Second thing to do to act as if. Start doing things as if you expect it to happen. Law of expectation. What you expect to happen will end up happening. This is something that I haven't manifested yet, but it's coming. My dream house, I want it custom built, top to bottom. I already drew out the floor plan, everything. What I started doing, I started buying stuff for my new house. Started buying dishes, gold silverware. But I started buying things because I know I'm moving. I expect to be building my dream home very soon. So I'm talking to my boyfriend about it. Like, yeah, babe, I just bought some new dishes from Costco. These are fire. And he's like, babe, you're so cute. And I'm like, to me, this ain't no game. This is not a game. I know what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, but he does not have a clue. He's just in his own little world. He knows he loves me. That's it. He's like, you're so cute. Like, you don't have a clue about nothing, but you know you're going to get this house. And I'm like, yeah, I'm expecting it. So I need to start buying stuff for my new house. Keynote. You have to be low-key a little delusional to do all this stuff. But it's okay. I'm here to guide you. I'm a Pisces sun and a Pisces rising. All the delusional ideas, I'm gonna just let you guys know. But number 3, visualize it happening to you. Every night before you go to bed, you're drifting off to sleep, turn your phone off, get off TikTok, calm your mind, take a few deep breaths, close your eyes, and start imagining whatever it is happening to you. And if you're having trouble with what you should be visualizing, that's why I have Manifestation Momentum, where I give you 275 affirmations over 33 different scenarios with 11 different subjects to visualize. If you don't have a clue on what to visualize for certain things, it's okay. I'll tell you. I wrote out the whole scene, and it's going to be linked in my description box. You can instant download it right now. It's going to be sent to your email address. And if you somehow mess up on your email address, just use the contact page on my website and I'll get your order to you. It happens all the time. But anyway, visualize it a good 3 to 4 times. Loop it like a VHS tape. Just loop it in your mind until you fall asleep. Script about it. If you are getting these videos, then you have an idea of what scripting is. If you don't, scripting is basically writing down what you want to happen as if it has already happened. I got a tool for that too if you guys don't have a clue. It's going to be linked in my description box. Guided scripting sheets where I ask you questions and I ask you to write about it. I'm helping you go through the process. I'm going to read a quick testimonial for it. I love testimonials. Someone said the subject was $16,412 is now mine. Got your scripting package last month. Finished the money one a couple weeks ago. Did the work at the end of the packet. Because I give you instructions too. $16,000 was deposited into my account this morning. Just one more. Dear Love Gal, thank you for the guide on how to manifest a call. Text from someone specific. I do believe in scripting and have been doing it for quite some time, but before purchasing your in-depth scripting technique. But boy, when I tell you this worked, it worked. OMG, I'm really grateful. Thank you so very much. I have over 16 different subjects for that to help. If you don't have a clue on how to script or what you should be talking about, past tense, present tense, etc. Those testimonials really do make my day. And number 5, it's easier said than done, but don't think about it as much. And you're probably like, boo, turn this video off. No, for real. When you have something, are you thinking about it constantly? No. I thought about my boyfriend more when I did not have him. When the money is coming in constantly, you're not thinking about it. So when you find yourself thinking about it, like it's just popped up on your mind, recognize it and go to thinking about something else. It's like this for me. My manifestations come when I'm in the present. Like I am not even thinking about nothing that I want. I'm not thinking about the past. I'm not thinking about the future. And then all of a sudden, it's like, oh, here's an alert. Oh, here it is. Oh, shoot, I won't even think about that, but thank you. I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new content. And on my website, you can view a lot more testimonials. You can just go straight to the discounted manifestation bundle, and I have a whole bunch of just screenshots of testimonials. So that's great. I love y'all. I thank y'all, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week and weekend.